stuff is amazing.
It works. Like in 3 weeks, I started to see my edges start to flourish.
I am giving you advice of something that I actually truly believe in and believe that works.
It's working.
Dispense the cream onto the problem area with your fingertips. You'll feel a tingling sensation. This is the peppermint working to stimulate your follicles.
My hair is so much more fuller and restored than ever.
It grew a lot. Like, it's so much more full in this area.
As you see, like, the hair is growing back there.
Yes, beautiful babes, it is me, Sweet Angel. And yes, you saw the commercial for Naturale Follicle Enhancer. That was me, and that's been a while ago. And yes, I am still using Edgenaturale because it does what it needs to do. I said it there in the commercial. I stand by it now. My hair now grows uncontrollably. Honestly speaking, I'm a person who loves my short and sassy style, so I'm not looking for hair down my back unless it's just a temporary thing and I put it on and I take it off. But for me, 100% all the way, I'm a short style girl. But I do have issues in which I found a remedy that works for me, and that is Naturale Follicle Enhancer. And y'all, this is just my personal testimony. This video is not sponsored, nor did they send me this product for free. This is my purchase of this product for my hair. This is just an update on the months and months and months of me using Edgenaturale and how I've been loving it for my hair. Again, my hair is growing uncontrollably now when I massage my scalp with this. As a matter of fact, it is really too long, and I'm getting to the point now where I'm like, okay, it's time for a chop. But I just wanted to share this moment with my beautiful babes so that you all would know exactly what else am I using on my hair, because I've been asked, what are you doing? Your hair looks fuller. It looks like it's growing. Well, this is something that I decided to go ahead and use regularly and put it all over my scalp, and it has definitely stimulated growth all over my head. And man, if you look at the length on here, it's been such a while since I've decided to let my hair grow out, and I was really thinking about letting it grow a little bit longer, but I'm at the point now where I cannot. I'm just styling it right now, but a big part of keeping my hair intact, keeping it growing, has been the help of Edgenaturale Follicle Enhancer. Definitely it does that. And y'all, if you've been thinking about it, why not take the plunge? Now, I said this video is not sponsored, nor was this product sent to me for free. This is one that I just recently re-upped on again because I keep it in stock for my hair. Listen, there is not even an affiliate link down below, because guess what? It's all on me this time around. So just wanted to share that with you all and hope that you can check it out and would want to check it out. There's no need to be embarrassed by thinning hair or lack of edges. It's time to go ahead and address the issue and fix the problem. This is going to be your go-to. I assure you, you're going to be happy that you jumped in and decided to take the plunge. It's right online. You can check it out yourself, read the details, and not only my testimonial, but many other women have also restored their hair back to the way it was by using Edgenaturale. I'm so excited about sharing this. I really been meaning to come back and follow up with you all. My video that I did on this has been well over a year ago, and I've stuck with it and stayed with it, and this is it. Listen, you will see results within 2-3 weeks. You'll be definitely getting compliments from people that say, wow, have you done something different with your hair? Your hair is really growing. Your hair looks fuller. You're going to see the difference. And I love that tingling sensation that it gives. That lets me know it's working, and it's working for me. Beautiful babes, I just wanted to share. You know how I am. I can't keep a good thing a secret. I have to let you know. So this is it. I am done. I am finito with styling my hair today. So y'all, now I know you see me with hair on this video, but guess what? I'm definitely getting that urge to go ahead and do another chop, but stay tuned for that. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Thank you so much for coming to hang out with me right here on Sugar Fingers, where we do all things beauty. Yes, definitely from head to toe. So make sure you stay in the know. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that little bell beside it, and that way for sure you'll be getting notifications to come hang out with your girl Sweet Angel over here on Sugar Fingers. Hey, y'all take care of yourself, and in the meantime and in between time, make sure you keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous, and I will do the same. And I will see you all on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye. This stuff is amazing.
It works. Like in 3 weeks, I started to see my edges start to flourish.
I am giving you advice of something that I actually truly believe in.